Hello everyone, happy Monday. So today's tutorial is inspired by our healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, anyone working in the health field, specifically to make a tutorial showing how to wrap something that will be presentable, comfortable to wear for many hours, and yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm using this really pretty, stretchy, comfortable jersey wrap, which is perfect to wear for an extended period of time. And I'm wearing our Boo Boo TV, the low volume shaper. I don't have any stuffing inside of it. I just feel like the less weight to wear during the day, the better. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on with both tails even. I'm gonna fold this front edge a little bit, take the two tails to the back, crisscross. Then I'm going to fold this into thirds. I'm gonna bring it up, but I'm gonna bring it up more towards the top of my head. I figure the closer towards the top, the less pressure it'll put on the back, like on the back of the head, less weight. And obviously I know that a lot of people get like tension headaches in the front, so I would really recommend wrapping it as loosely as possible. Taking it around, bringing it up, and tucking it into itself, like so. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Fold it into thirds, and then we're gonna bring it up. And not exactly where we started the first one. This one's gonna start a little bit further back, but still very comfortable. Bringing it up very loosely, up and around, and tuck it into itself wherever you can find space. Here we have it, super light, super comfortable. This is what the back looks like. Not too much going on. Obviously you can add the stuffing if you wanted, but this is where we're gonna leave it. Have a great day.